I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change the low beam and high beam light bulb here in your Mercedes. This is a 2015 C250. So here go how you do it. First, what you want to do is look over here and you find this cap, and to take it off, you turn it counterclockwise, and it shows you which way to turn it to open it. So that's counterclockwise. You take it off. To put it back on, you turn it clockwise. So let's go ahead and change this light bulb. First, we want to turn it counterclockwise to take it off. Then you reach inside and you turn the light bulb counterclockwise. And when you take this light bulb out, make sure you don't touch it. Try not to touch it because it might break. As you can see, I turn it counterclockwise to take it out. And this is the hard part right here. What you want to do is get you a screwdriver or something, and you want to pry this off. And it may take a little bit. You may have to shake it a little bit. You see how I'm doing this, one side at a time. And then you want to turn it over and pry it on the other side, and make sure your lights are turned off. And then you may have to shake it a little bit to get it out. If that don't work, you just pry it a little bit more on each side, and it will come out. And it's probably kind of hard to come out, especially if you haven't changed it in a long time. So once you finish prying it on each side, just shake it and wiggle it a little bit, and it will come out. So once you take this out, you can purchase this light bulb right here online, or just go to your local hardware store, maybe AutoZone or O'Reilly, and you can pick these up. But if you want to purchase them online, look in the description below. This is what it is right here. The basic is the H7. So once you got it, you just put it back into the little holder, and it only fits in one direction. So I put it in, and now we're gonna put the light bulb back in the socket. So what you want to do is put it in and make sure you got it as flat as you can, and you want to turn it clockwise. And it's kind of hard a little bit. Make sure you got it level and turn it. It will turn and it'll snap in place. And once that's done, you want to put your cap back on, and you turn it clockwise also to put it back on. And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.